Davis Glass and Screen Company is your one-stop glass and screen shop. Davis Glass offers an extensive range of products and services to residential and commercial clients in the Lansing area. Professional glazing, screens, awnings, windows, and a wide range of associated products and services. Fully insured and licensed, we specialize in window screens and patio door screens, shower enclosures, screen rooms, and replacement glass windows. Davis Glass and Screen can build you a flawless modern glass shower enclosure or enclosure sunny outdoor room in glass or quality screen. We'll take care of everything from awnings and patios to amazing custom mirrors, glass shower doors, and enclosures. Located at 800 South Hosmer Street from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Get a quote on any of our products and services by calling 517-482-9272 or fill out a quote request on our website at www.davisglassandscreen.com.